Hey there! In this video, I will be showing you how to sew a Hong Kong stitch. Like bias binding, this stitch protects the edge of your fabric and can add splashes of color or clean edges to your garment. For this stitch, you will need single fold bias tape, an iron and ironing board, and thread to match the color of your fabric. I will be demonstrating this technique on a sewing machine, but you can also create this look by hand stitching. First, prep your bias tape by lightly stretching it. This will help prevent bubbles and folds when going around the curves of your garment, like necklines. Iron your bias tape so that it lays completely flat. Match the edge of your bias tape along the edge of your fabric and sew in place. Remember to take your seam allowance into account and leave yourself enough room. With your fingers, gently fold the bias tape along the seam and press in place with your iron. Repeat this step around the edge of your fabric. You should end up with the raw edge of the bias tape on the back of your seam. Pin and stitch in the ditch created by your first seam. Then press flat when finished. And there you have it! This technique adds a nice pop of color to the inside or outside of your garments and protects the edge of the fabric as well. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. I apologize that this video took a lot longer to get out than I intended. I got caught up with a sewing project, like a personal project, and also had a couple of technical issues that I was trying to teach myself how to work around. If you're interested in following any of my sewing projects, you can check out my Instagram page where I post work in progress photos of what's going on, of designs and ideas that I'm working with. And if you'd like to stay up to date on the videos, you can follow me on Twitter as well as subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and if you know anybody who has any questions about sewing, please share this channel with them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!